How to hide your replies on Trade app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, download and install Trade application. Tap to open it. Now navigate to specific post where you want to manage replies. So let's tap on profile icon at bottom right, and these are simply the posts that I have posted on Threads. So if there is a particular reply, you can tap on replies at top right corner of the screen. Or simply if you don't find there, tap on a specific post and here you can see the reply. To hide this replies on thread, tap on three dots of the particular reply. A menu appear and here you will see the option to delete reply or hide like and share accounts. You can tap on delete button and this will remove the reply entirely. Also, if you tap on hide like and share account, this will hide engagement metrics through the reply remains visible. You can even tap on edit button to modify or replace your reply, and after 5 minutes reply can no longer be edited. So currently there is or it's only the way to manage your replies on threads. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.